Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a mango. Begin by sketching a large, slightly elongated oval for the main body. Think of it as a rounded kidney bean shape. Then, at one end, add a smaller curved bump where the stem would connect. This initial outline should be light, allowing for easy adjustments as we refine the form. Remember, real mangoes aren't perfectly symmetrical, so embrace a bit of natural irregularity. Now let's refine those initial lines. Gently smooth out the edges, making the mango's silhouette more organic and less geometric. Pay attention to the gentle curve of the fruit, ensuring it looks plump and ripe. Create a small, soft indentation at the top where the stem will be placed. This step is about giving your mango a realistic and appealing form, making it look ready to eat. Next, we'll add the stem. Draw a short, slightly tapered stem extending from the indentation you created. It should look sturdy, as if it could hold the fruit. For texture, lightly sketch tiny, irregular dots or very subtle blemishes across the mango's surface. These small details add realism. Begin to apply very light shading to one side, suggesting the mango's three-dimensional roundness and volume. For the final touches, let's add color. Start with a base of yellow or light green, covering the entire fruit. Then, blend in warmer tones like orange and hints of red, especially on the sun-kissed areas to show ripeness. Use a slightly darker shade for shadows on the underside and a lighter touch for highlights on the top. These color variations will make your drawn mango truly pop and look delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.